Okay, so today we're going to talk about cables. With the amount of functionality that the board has, it gives you a wide variety of things that you can actually plug in and hook up to the board for multi-purpose uses. So today we're going to talk about the different types of cables that we have. So on the back of your board, you have all of your cable inputs. You can use any of these cable inputs or any of these different inputs to allow you to hook up different devices to what it is that we have going on the board. Okay, so the first one we're going to talk about today is your VGA cable. There's a VGA input right here. When you plug it in, this would be used for something like an Elmo device. So if you're using an Elmo device, you can use your VGA cable. That would allow you to use the Elmo with the board. The next one we'll talk about is the HDMI cable. The HDMI cable has two separate ports down here at the bottom of this portion of the board. When you plug this in, you have to make sure that your board is set on the correct input. So there's an HDMI 1 and an HDMI 2 that can be used for the input. You would use something like this if you're going to hook up something like a laptop. Okay, the other things that we have on the back of the board, we have a composite and a component input. It also says on the back of the board, if you're going to use this, you need to make sure that you're on input 4. Okay, so if you have your composite cable, this is your red, your white, and your yellow. Okay, if you want to get audio, this would be for something like a VCR or a DVD VCR combo. You use the two left-hand ports. The white and the red go in to get you your audio. Now, from here you have two separate options. If you have the yellow cord and only the yellow cord, you can use this to get your video. But if you have a composite cord, which is your blue, your green, and your red, you can use that to get higher quality video projection from your board. Okay, so the green will go here in the center, the blue will go next to it, and the red will go next to that. That will give you your component and composite input for the back of the board that will allow you to do something with your DVD or your VCR.